Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make parsley tea using fresh parsley. Now, in order to do this, you're either going to need a tea infuser or a French press, which is going to help us make our tea. The first step is to take your fresh parsley and to chop it up. You don't have to chop it up too finely. You can just cut it up so that those leaves are loose and you're exposing some of the interior of the flesh. You're going to add that to your French press or your tea infuser, and you're going to have to vary the amount you put in based on how intense and strong you would like your tea to be. After you've done that, you can then take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water. Place the tea kettle on your stove and place your stove on high. Wait until the water comes to a complete boil before pouring it over your parsley. Once the water's come to a complete boil, and that's very important because the temperature of boiling water is going to be what extracts the flavor and the benefits of drinking parsley tea. Once that's done, we're going to take the hot boiling water and we're going to pour it on top of the fresh parsley leaves. You're going to fill your French press all the way to the top, and we're going to let this sit here for about 2 to 4 minutes, which gives it time to absorb the flavor and the benefits of the parsley into the hot water. Once the parsley has sat in the hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, we're then ready to remove the leaves from the hot water and serve up the tea. You're going to take your plunger and you're going to place it over the top of your French press and press down. And what this does is it pushes the parsley tea leaves to the bottom and separates it from the water so you can just drink the parsley tea without having any particles in it. After we've done that, we're going to pour it into our serving cup. And parsley tea can be served with some sugar in it to give it some sweetness, make it a little more palatable, or you can just drink it as is. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make parsley tea using fresh parsley. Enjoy.